Oh. That's me just yawning because, you know, we have the perp walking down, yawning, white woman. Yeah, I forget. So when I was leaving Pam, I got the elevator. They had a white woman behind me targeting me, you know, because of course you can walk into the door, you can see there's a reflection of her, right? And then on the bus, they send this idiot there, constantly yawning, right? So that's when she walked by, she's constantly yawning. Yeah, so I started yawning too. Like I said, they think that they're slick. You know, the lies, the deception. Like I said, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. If they're so righteous, and if they're so, if they think that what they're doing is legally rightful, then let's go. Right? Be transparent in everything. Okay, from your civilian perps, right? Who you get to drug and poison people, right? To your honey traps, be very transparent, 100%. So like I said, I have no fear in terms of, you know, whatever, just bring it. Okay, because when you know, you lighten up the cigarette, just see me. They both looking at towards me, and then he sees me light up a cigarette. Yeah, see, no fire trucks tonight, right? So they'll again, it's a tactic when they've been so exposed, right? When they can't use the fire trucks to engage in the sirens, they'll send people, and as soon as they see me walking, because I saw both of them turn their head to look at me, they'll start lighting up their cigarette. Look, constantly looking over here, constantly looking over here, constantly turning his head. Right? Yeah. Anyhow, they think that they're slick, but they're not slick. All right? Like I said, it is my purpose. It is my purpose.
Oh shit! Yeah, it's me. It's only country, baby.
And they gotta bring the white guy there too. Anyhow, talk to you guys in this video.